many keys to your trade-in do you have?
Just one.
Romy, where is that other key?
Lost it
Nope.
a couple years ago.
No chance of finding it? Okay. The reason I ask is keys are extremely expensive. In fact, those keys aren't even keys. They're mini computers. All right, they've got chips in them. They require programming. They're going to cost somewhere between $250 and $550 to replace. However, even though you've only got one, and you didn't pay to have it replaced, did you? All right, you're going to pay for it when you trade your vehicle, because the more keys your vehicle has, the more your vehicle is worth. We're going to provide you 1 year of complimentary key replacement. We will pay for the programming. We will pay for fob replacement during that first year. You can always extend that coverage as well out to 5 years. Okay?